is up, you guys? Beside me, I have my Diamondback mountain bike, hardtail down mountain bike by Diamondback, and we're gonna be talking about a little bit more. So, what it has Diamondback forks, Diamondback frame, WTB seat, Kenda tires front and back, three gears in the front and 8 in the back. We brakes, not disc brakes, but just normal brakes. We have spacers, and we have platform pedals, and we have X-Flow cranks on both sides. So I recently bought this bike, maybe like, I don't know, like 2 months ago, not that long ago. I bought it for $35. I'm gonna do a hack where I store first aid kit in my seat post, and so yeah, this is gonna be a Diamondback bike check. I'm gonna add a pump with a water bottle stand, or whatever you call it. We have a chain, I don't know what's the brand, but we have a stem. It's a SL318 forgetted stem created by Diamondback. We have a stem cap by diamondback.com. I'm gonna bring you the camera up to me. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing anything. So yeah, this is my bike that I go trail riding. Me and my brother are gonna go trail riding tomorrow. I'm gonna be recording that, what kind of jumps we do, where we go, adventure stuff. And we're gonna take my bike along with his bike. So yes, if you guys like this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe to help my channel grow, and the more subscribers I get, the more I will put into YouTube uploading videos. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when we are gonna go on a bike ride.